Hello everyone. Today's welcome to Arabic with Simo channel. This is lesson number 2, short and long vowels. الحركات القصيرة والمدود. So in this lesson, before watching this lesson, I recommend you to or I advise you to watch the previous lesson concerning the Arabic alphabets, and you should learn them by heart. So let's start this lesson. So these are the Arabic alphabets. You should learn them by heart. There are 28 alphabets. So we discussed them in the previous video. Before starting this lesson, I would like to mention two important remarks. The first one, in Arabic, there is no capital letters. It is not like French or English or any other language. The second remark, look at the direction of the writing. For example, in English, we write from the left to the right, but in Arabic, it is the opposite. We write from the right to the left. All right. So these are two important remarks that you should take into consideration before starting writing in Arabic. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss vowels. We call them in Arabic harakat. We have two categories. We have short vowels, and we have, in the short vowels, we have three short ones. We have Fatha, Damma, and Kasra. Pay attention. For Fatha, it is written, it is a small line above the letter. Damma, the same thing. It is like Waw, above the letter. And Kasra, it is under the letter. So we call this the first one Fatha, the second, this is Damma, and the third is called Kasra. For the second category, long vowels, حركات طويلة, or we call them also in Arabic المدود, long vowels. We have three long vowels. We have Alif, and we have Y, then Ya. We are going to discuss each category alone. So, short vowels, let's practice. Let's give some examples. Look at here, this letter, this is Ka. Look here, we have small line above this letter, Ka. So, we pronounce it like this, Ka. The second, we have under this letter, we have a short line. This is Ki. We pronounce it Ki. And here, number 3, this is Ku. Ku. The last one, number 4, it is not a vowel, but the letter stands by itself as if there is no short vowel. We say K. If we have any other letter, we should pronounce it like this, B, S, K. So there is no short vowel. That's why it is not among the short vowels that are included in this lesson. Anyway, let's give some examples. For example, here, if you studied the previous lesson, you can discover this is the letter Ba. So look at this letter. Above this letter, we have Ba, Fatha, we have Bu, Damma, Bi, Kasra. Right. And for the last one, this is B. Sukun, it is like a small circle above the letter. So we call it Sukun. So here we have K, and here we have B. Again, with short vowels, we have Fatha, Damma, Kasra, and Sukun. So for Fatha, it has this sound, A. Damma, O. Kasra, E. And sukun, as I have just said, there is no sound, no vowel for letters with this small circle, sukun. Let's give some examples. So, ba, there is fatha. It is like we have a, ba. And we have bu, damma. And we have bi, kasra. And the last one, we have b. Right. So we pronounce the first letter ba, bu, bi, and b. B. Right. Here we have more practice, more examples. A, we have fatha above the letter hamza, and we have e, o, damma. Right. Da, di, do. Wa, wo, we. Qa, qo, qi. Other examples: sha, she, sho. This is ya, ya, you, ye. Ra, ra, ru, ri. So here you can practice. You can go back to the Arabic alphabets and choose different ones randomly. You can write above them different vowels that we have just seen, and you can pronounce them as a practice. Now let's move to discuss long vowels. If you can see, we have fatha, we have damma, and kasra on the screen. Now let's talk about long vowels. As I have just said, we have alif and waw, then we have ya. All right. So look at this example. The first one, we have ba. Above this letter, we have fatha. So ba. If you add plus alif, we say ba. It is a long one. And here, if you can see, I write B and 3A in order to show that you should pronounce it like this. Ba. The following, bu plus waw, we say boo. That's it. So here again, I write B and 3 O's in order to show that you should pronounce it like this. Boo, long one. All right, the following, B plus ya, or we say B, B. So here again, we have B plus 3 E's or 3 I's in order to show that we should pronounce it like this. B, sorry, this is I. Normally, I should write E instead of I. B. All right. Here we have another example. Look at the letter Tha. Again, I emphasize that you should memorize and learn the alphabet or Arabic alphabets by heart in order to understand this lesson. So we have, you can go back to the previous lesson, then you can start the video again and you can practice. All right, we have Fa with Alif, with long one. We say Fa, Fu. We have Damma above the letter. With Waw, we say Fu. And Fi with Kasra, we pronounce it Fi, long one. This is for long vowels. That's it. The following example, we have Ta. Yes, this is the letter Ta, but with the long vowel, the first one, A. This is Ta. Number 2, Tu. Number 3, T. In general, this is a conclusion. As you can see, for example, this is the letter Ba. For each letter, it may we can add the short vowels or the long ones. For example, we have ba, bu, bi, b. These are short ones. And we have ba, bu, bi. Right? This is ta. We have ta, fatha, tu, damma, ti. Under this letter kasra, we pronounce it ti. And if you have a small circle, t. Again, with long vowels, ta, tu, ti. That's it. Very good. So at the end of this video, I put this handout just to work on. When you have enough time, you can work on this handout. We have different letters with different short and long vowels. You can write them and practice. Then see you next time in the next video.